We currently use Innovaccer as a way to take care of our patients from a holistic perspective. So Innovaccer allows us to look at the patients from a nursing perspective, a social work perspective. We create care plans so that we know what does each individual member need in terms of what are their highest needs. We can prioritize what their needs are so that we can best take care of each individual member and make sure that they're getting the care that they need, but that they're also utilizing it at a level that is cost effective for the system so that we can take care of as many patients as possible. Innovaccer's made a difference in how we provide patient care really across the board. I'm thinking particularly about a situation where we had a homeless man who had used the emergency room 360 times in 1 year. He would come to the emergency room, he knew exactly what to say. He'd say he was having a cardiac episode, we would provide the care, and then we would discharge him back to the street. When we got Innovaccer, we were able to look at where and when he was utilizing the services and utilize that so we could have our team work with this individual to get to the root of what was going on. We documented that in our in-care program, and we were able to get him the services that he needed so that he could get the care he needed, address what was really going on and driving that for him. But it also allowed us to help be good stewards of the services that were available to us and take care of him. When people ask me what kind of feedback I have about Innovaccer and the programs that they have, I have a lot of different things I could say. I'm a corporate trainer, so as a trainer, I love it because, first of all, it looks nice. It doesn't have that MS-DOS look. It's easy to use, and that may seem like a little thing, but having used other systems before, it's a nice change. It's easy to find out what's going on. So if I train people or we have people who are already on the staff who don't know what's going on, it's very easy to narrow down where are they in the system so that we can find the solution and then easily address what's going on with them. It also is fantastic in terms of we have a multidisciplinary team. We have social workers, we have nurses, we have community health workers, and we can look at the different segments that are in Innovaccer that allow us to know what did each member do, what's expected, what's going on in the care plan. It's just a really simple and elegant is the word that I would use, product that's easy to use and it's enjoyable to utilize. One of the things that we're working with Innovaccer on is standardization across all of our markets. We are across the nation in multiple states, and they have different workflows and different staffing models, which Innovaccer is great because they configure to accommodate what's going on with those. So we're working toward having a uniform reporting structure for that. For all those organizations that are looking at whether or not to use Innovaccer's care management solution, I'd say stop looking. This is a company to work with. They're great with listening to what your needs are. They'll take your vision and make it a reality. Sometimes they'll make it better than what you thought. They're flexible. They can make the process easy. You don't have to change what you're doing. They work with you to take what you're already doing and have this system support what you're doing. So you can take care of your patients, take care of more patients, save money, and ultimately make a difference out in the world.